25% of IT managers say they suffer from stress-related illness. As the data economy expands, it is ever more important to take care of the human behind the machine. Doing just that is Kim Povlsen, Vice President of Digital Services and Software at Schneider Electric. Kim, thanks a lot for talking to me. Have we lost the work and life balance in the IT space?
Well, in the last couple of years, we've seen a decreasing amount of work-life balance, meaning that they have less and less time to actually live their lives outside of the work. And one of the reasons, I believe, is that the data centers are becoming the business of many businesses. If you're a bank, there's no way that you can manage to have your data center not working for an amount of time. If you're an airport, you need your data center to working. That means that when you have a data center, the data center is part of your business. So it becomes so important and so evident that it keeps working. And that means that the guys that are running the data centers today, they have an extremely stressful life.
Okay. And how can we sort of help them achieve a better work-life balance? And what is Schneider doing as well?
Yeah, so there's many ways to try to help them out. One way is to basically give them more visibility of what's going on in their data centers, giving the fact they don't have to be in their data centers all the time, right? They can go and spend time with the family, then go skiing, then go, going on vacation. And if they have a proper level of technology that they can bring in their pockets, things like this, that's going to help them, do their job outside of the data center.
Okay, but how does the technology work? So, for example, if you want to get notifications on your phone, what technology do you have to deploy in the data center itself that will send you the alerts? Are you talking about nodes, artificial intelligence?
Yeah, so what you do is you deploy a piece of software in your data center, a very secure piece of software that bundles the data at the edge and brings it into the cloud. Now, you then connect to the cloud through two-factor authentication, etc. And then you will actually get a pipe out, understanding what's happening in your specific data center.
Okay. And then Schneider rolled out EcoStruxure a couple of years ago. I think it was 2016, 2015, around this sort of time. How many users have you got using it now?
So we are just above 1,600 customers, different customers. And of course, each customer has a number of users actually using the app and the software.
Okay, and what about the upgrades? What sort of feedback have you got from customers? What sort of upgrades have you had? Does it differ from region to region? What sort of challenges are you facing?
The biggest difference from region to region is the go-to-market. Is there a partner play or a managed service provider play in that specific region? That means that if there is, we got to provide this type of solution through the partners to the end users. In other regions, it's end user directly using it. So there's a bit of difference in how we actually deploy the software. But in general, the feedback's been extremely positive. And that's also why we see such a big increase in users so fast.
Okay. And when you look into next year now, what are you working on beyond EcoStruxure? What's Schneider planning?
So for Schneider next year, and specifically in IT division, 2019 is going to be a big year for the edge. Okay. We see a massive move to the edge. A lot of IT rising in retail, in healthcare, manufacturing, agriculture, and so on. That's going to be a big year for us as well, and a lot of focus we're going to bring to that. Okay.
Can we expect more software developments, more hardware? What sort of things can you lift the veil on?
Are you going to see both? A lot of that next year.
Okay, throughout the whole year?
Absolutely.
Okay, Kim, thanks a lot for talking to me. Don't forget you can follow Data Economy on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, and also visit the website on www.data-economy.com.